Hi there, I'm Rebecca with Visionary Solutions. I'm here at our control demonstration here. We've got our QSys plugins up, showing our whole booth. We've got our whole booth running on QSys at the moment. We do control with pretty much every platform, but this is our QSys stuff. We've got our new 5.2 plugins here. We've got encoders, decoders, router plugin here. We've got our serial control. We've got Samsung being controlled here. We're also doing some IR control with our new IR drivers. We've also got this all pulled out into a UCI here for our QSys UCI. We've got our previews here ready to go so we can see what we're routing. There it goes, and you can see it's routed up here on the screen. We work very closely with QSys, and we love their platform. We do, we are agnostic. We do work with every control system. Anything that came in a network string, we work with. So come on, visit us, visionary-av.com. And I'm Rebecca. I'm in support. So if you call support, you'll probably get me.